Get ready to see the world through my lens, hear it through my music, experience it like never before. This is Akhil, where travel meets melody and the world is our stage. On this channel, we are not just going to explore incredible destinations, but we're going to do it with a twist. You see, I'm not just a travel enthusiast, I'm a passionate music composer, and I'll be scoring every video with my own original compositions, adding a unique flavor to our travel experiences. Imagine diving into a crystal clear water with a melody in the background, or walking through an ancient street as music carries you through the time. That's what my channel is all about. But wait, there's more. We'll also share some practical travel tips, recommendations, insights so that you can plan your own trips. Together we'll uncover some hidden gems, taste some local food and connect with amazing people. So whether you are a seasoned traveler looking for some new inspiration or someone dreaming of their first adventure, you have come to the right place. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on this incredible journey together.